Okay, what is trees? It looks very simple. Okay, we have many beautiful trees around us. Okay, we hope that tree can enhance our environment and give us very important use in our nature. In computer science, okay, we can see that tree is actually start with the roots and then grow and then branches out, and at the end there are some leaves just like this. So when we look at the usage, the trees actually have different applications, just like in the classification of organisms or animal kingdom. Okay, we can see that there are many branches, stems from the root going two ways, or even several ways. So it's running through branches. In the folders, okay, just like our computer folders, okay, we have folders and subfolders and subfolders, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, at the end we have some files, okay, just like the leaves in the tree. And also in HTML document structure, we can see that it has the structure like this. Okay, HTML, then body, they have some division. If it can be divided further, it could be P for paragraph, and then some headings and so on. So these are some examples of the tree structures. So as you can see, HTML can be like this. So what is a tree in computer science viewpoint? It is an abstract model of a hierarchical structure. As a hierarchical structure, it would have some point to start with. So usually it starts with the root, unlike the tree in the natural. Tree in computer science will start the root from the top instead of the actual tree that start from the ground. So a tree consists of nodes with parent-child relations. Okay, just like you can imagine about the term family tree, right? So there are many applications in addition to the previously I've mentioned. Okay, it would help you to do your organization charts, just like the file system, or even some program environments via modularized. So here are some terms we would like to introduce. They include the root, the parents, child node, subtree, leaf node. So in this diagram, you have some brief understanding. As you can imagine, the tree will start with the root. Okay, so let me tell you the meaning of it by using this tree graph. Tree is a set of nodes connected by axes. Node, you can see that is A, B, G, C, D, I, J. All these are the nodes, and they're connected by axes. Axes, these lines are axes. Okay, so we have a tree that is starting from a root, and the nodes at each successive level of a tree are children of the nodes at the previous level. Just like B is a child of A, F is a child of B, because you can see that A is on the top level, B, C, D in a lower level, and E, F, G, H is further lower. So a node that has children is the parent of these children. For example, B is the parent of E and F. So E and F are the children of B. And siblings are children with the same parent. As you can see that G and H are siblings. So root, as mentioned, A in this case is the root. It is a knot without any parent. And internal knot are knots with at least one child, just like A, B, C, F. They have at least one child. Then, contrastly, there are another set of external knots, also known as leaves. They are not without children, just like E, I, J, K, G, H, D. Okay, they are external knots. So, these two terms, internal knot or external knot, are used to describe the knot. So we have another term called subtree, tree consisting of a knot and its descendants. Okay, for example, these two are two subtrees. Okay, for this one, the root of this subtree is C, and for this, the root of this subtree is F. So when we go further, we can think about other meanings. Okay, a census of a knot is just like parents, grandparents, or grandparents. Okay, just like A, B, F. These are the centers of J. In Chinese, OK 祖先係咪？所有佢對上嘅都係祖先。The depth of a knot is number of ascensors. Just like for J, it has the depth of 3 because it has 3 ascenders. For D, its depth is 1 because it has 1 ascenders, which is A. So the height of a tree is the maximum level of a tree. Okay, for example, for this one, it has 3 levels. What I want to emphasize that, okay, the root will be regarded as level 0. Okay, therefore for this case, it has 3 levels. Or in other words, that is the maximum depth of any knot. So compared to ascenders, they are descendant. Descendant of a knot may be a child, grandchild, grandchild, and so on. So it defines some terminology for a tree. Okay.